Today, I'm going to show you how to find out if someone has added you as a close friend on Instagram. This feature lets users share stories with a select group, and it's pretty neat. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in your home feed, you can start looking for any close friend stories. These are typically highlighted with a green ring around the profile picture. Now here you can see the green icon. This indicates that they've shared a story exclusively with their close friends. If you can view it, you've been added. Now, if you want to double check if someone has added as you as a close friend, you can also look at your own close friends list. Go to your profile by tapping on your icon at the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right, and then select close friends. Here you can see who you have added and who might be added to your list, and that's it. Now you know how to check if someone has added you as on your close friend, and check who you have added also on your close friends.